pathways within our signature career academies, they allow kids to have academic choices. They allow them to be able to build upon the skills that are needed by our business and our industry today. There'll be multiple paths to success, and college will just be one of them.
Sure, we're always going to need to move things. I mean, supply chain is not going away, and the career path is wide open because there's always going to be growth opportunities.
Well, we worked really hard talking to our partner companies, and we have more than 40 of them that work with us, and as well as the colleges and universities, to make sure that we have the right kind of equipment and the right kind of curriculum. So we make sure they get a well-rounded, very good education that covers everything that they're going to need to be able to address the future.
Our classroom is currently designed to work in a project-based learning environment. So all of the projects that we do have the students working with other students, sort of like what would happen in a real corporate environment.
There's no hypothetical situations we're learning. We're learning what's more efficient for our company.
It's very hands-on more than anything. And in this class, you do the work. You have to code and you have to fly the drone in order to get a good grade.
We really focus on 21st century skills. We want our students to know that when you come into this type of environment, that it's all about creativity, innovation. Where can you take your industry and your career expectations? And then by the age of 16, we'll be able to get you certified.
We have provided a skill boss logistics trainer as well as a forklift personal simulator. Industry really loves those certifications, and when a student comes out with those certifications, they're going to come out with a job, which is very useful for a student coming out of high school.
By actually walking through the lab, I'm actually speechless. Being able to apply the textbook to the actual practice, I know that he's going to do something great.